Welcome to wizard.com. I am maths teacher Neeta and this is our question. A two-digit number is 3 times the sum of its digits. If 45 is added to the number, the digit interchange their places. Then we have to find the number. So first of all, we'll assume a two-digit number having ones digit as y and tens digit as x. Now let's say the two-digit number be xy, where y is the ones digit and x is the tens digit. Now we know that any two-digit numbers with above digits like x and y, that can be written as, say this is x is tens digit number, so 10 multiplied by x plus y is ones digit number, so y multiplied by 1, or you can say 10 to the power 0. So this number can be represented as 10x plus y. Now according to question, what we can write is, it is given that this number 10x plus y, this number is 3 times its sum of the digit. So sum of the digit will be x plus y because the digits are x and y. So if we simplify it, we will get 10x plus y equal to 3x plus 3y. That means 7x equal to 2y. Let this be first equation. Now in the second part, it is given that if digits are interchanged, the number becomes, so if we interchange the digit, then 10x plus y will become 10y plus x. So this is our new number after interchanging. So after interchanging, the condition is given that if 45 is added to the number, the digits are interchanged. So original number was 10x plus y. If we add 45, then the digits interchange, and after interchanging the digits, the number is 10y plus x. Now if we simplify it, we'll get this equation. Now let's take 9 common, then we'll get x minus y plus 5 equal to 0. Now let this be second equation. Now with the help of equation 1 and 2, we can write x minus y can be written as 7x by 2. So 7x by 2 plus 5 equal to 0. If we simplify it, we will get this. Further, after simplifying, we will get the value of x, which is equal to 5x equal to 10, therefore x is equal to 2. Therefore x is 2, and for x equal to 2, y is 7 by 2 x is 2, that is 7. So number is 10x plus y was the original number. Let us substitute the value of x as 2 and y as 7. So the final number we get is 27. So this is our answer.